guys. So I know I'm wearing like my very 70s wallpaper shirt. That reminds me of our first house, which was literally wallpaper on everything, and they'd painted over it. And we even had one of our closets. They had wallpapered the inside of the closet. That was such a mess. All right, anyways. So today I just wanted to play with some makeup. I don't have the collection that I used to have because I really tried to like just get rid of the stuff that I didn't love and only keep the stuff I really use regularly, which actually really did pare it down. Plus the like lack of use of like different colored eyeshadows and like the fun 2016 eye looks. You know, that's kind of gone. I didn't need 87 eye palettes, even though I miss and loved most of them. Okay, so today I just wanted to kind of play and do something cute.
What are you doing?
I was going to do some makeup. Okay.
I want to put some makeup with you. Your hands are cold.
Sorry. So we're going to use the Makiage, it's a sassy name, 2.5 concealer. So I'm going to use this on my eyelid and then underneath, and this is going to be my primer. And then I just have this buffing brush that I've been using. So I've actually been using this, and then I use different powders, but lately I've really been liking It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder in Translucent. That's just really been kind of my favorite. So anyways, I'm gonna fill, now that we're all concealed. Okay, and I'm gonna do my brows too. So I've been using an angled brush and a dark brown. This is from the Sephora Color Shifter Strange Botanicals one. So I've been dipping into this one, which is just like a matte dark brown. I did a while back spray some Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray into it, and that kind of like beefed it up, and it's like has a little bit more staying powder, and it's like a really good brow filler now. All right. So I really like that. I feel like doing kind of a smoky eye, which is funny because that's usually what I say when I do my makeup in my car at work, and I realize I have gone a little darker than I was planning on it, and then I'm just like, oh, smoky eye today, and that's kind of like my constant joke. So, but no, friends, that is the plan today. So I have the Carity Matte Palette. I used to use this a lot. I really liked it. Super fun and colorful, and just great matte colors, which are perfect for those of us with hooded eyes. They recommend that we not use shimmery colors. So I definitely go like back and forth a little bit. But it is time of year to have a little fun. So I think we're gonna go like a little fun. We're gonna go Unsafe, which is just like a matte neutral brown, and then we also have Vegas, which is a fun orange. So I feel like we might play a little bit with those two, and I might use Whisper, which is just a nice like taupe beige to kind of do. So we're going to start with that Whisper, and we're going to put that sort of in my crease and above to kind of get ready to. Oh my goodness, Liz has been, I guess it's like verbal stimming, is the polite thing to call it. But actually it's really just screaming. That's been Okay. Okay, so let's go in with Unsafe, which is, like I said, that dark neutral brown, and I want to put that all over my lid, and then I want to blend it up a little bit. And then as far as like transition color in the crease, so I want to build this up a little bit more. Okay, and just again kind of like windshield wipering. Not a word, but go with me. Just to kind of get that shape, and again use all that real estate I got there, because I got quite a bit. Okay, so now that I think I have like a pretty neutral base, and this would be like just great for like an everyday, you know, brown eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go in with Vegas, and I'm gonna start, I don't think I've ever used that color. I'm gonna start putting it into the crease and blending it up and out. It's so pretty. I used to love, oh, look at that. I used to love adding some color. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, so I want to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to use my finger, which is what I normally do for my lower lash line. So I'm going to use Unsafe, which is our brown, and I'm going to go on the outer, like half. Okay, and this just gives like a little bit more dimension. Gives me a little more space to work with. All right, and then I'm going to do Vegas, our orange, or like burnt, you know, orange, on the inside half. And they'll just kind of blend in the center. Now to kind of smoke out that like corner, I use like a more pointed brush for this. And I'm gonna go in with Huntress, which is like a dark brown. And I just want to do that like
Mommy,
outer portion.
when can I make?
Kind of don't have a choice now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna bring some of that Huntress color down.
What, Mom?
Nothing.
What did you say?
I'm bringing down the Huntress color.
Oh.
Okay, and then I did lose some of the intensity of the orange. I'm gonna go back into that Vegas color, and just kind of redeposit that along the edges. So let's do the rest of our face, and then we're good. Okay, so foundation-wise, I have been using Clinique in WN01, which is a little too pale for me. And then I've been using Crunchy in 2.5, which is a little too dark for me. So, I know, heaven forbid I actually have like colors that like perfectly match me. So, I'm just gonna use these and mix them. And every day it's slightly different. But they're both like very full coverage. And like flawless full coverage looking. So doing the eyes first and then doing this gives us an opportunity to kind of clean up the edges.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too, baby. Sephora bronzer to give some dimension. Because I don't want to, I usually go quite cool toned, but I don't want to go too cool with this. I want it to like blend. Now we need eyeliner, mascara, lips. So eyeliner, I'm still using the Urban Decay like waterline pencil in Legend. Oh yeah, we're getting down to the end there. So I'm just doing a thin line on my upper lash line. Oh, my sister recommended, great mascara I've been loving. It is Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. So let me curl and do mascara. I will always say it that way because it sounds so much nicer and fancier when you say it with a British accent. I'm gonna put on my mascara. Right? Totally. For lips, I am just going to do, I've been doing Honeybee Gardens in Charisma. It's a lip liner, so it's pretty much like your lips but better. So I'm just gonna lightly line and fill in, and then put my lip balm over it. And there we go. This is it, so I'll insert some pictures in like better lighting and such. So if you have any like good, healthy makeup brands that you recommend as far as like lip liners, eyeshadows, eyeliners, I would love to know because I feel like those are the hardest things to get that are like healthy. Anyways, so that is it. Thank you so much.